Hello, my student grade 7, how are you? Today we'll solve from the book Envision Math first term. First, we review all questions like this about order operation. Choose the following expression has a value of 4. We can find the value of each one and then choose the answer 4. First question, 16 minus 12 equal 4. 4 power 2 equals 16. Then the answer here for the first will be 16. Okay, the answer here was 16, but he won't find the answer 4. Choose what about question number 1, 16, and question number 2, negative 4. Question number 3, we have 96 divided by 8 subtract by 2 power 3. 96 divided by 8 equal what? We know 9 divided by 8 equal 1 and the remainder 1. 16 divided by 8 equal 2. Subtract by 2 power 3, 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Then 12 minus 8 equal 4. Then the answer about this question you must choose letter C. Okay, answer here letter C. Question letter D is the difference between two numbers. 2 power 4 equals 16 and 4 power 2 equals 16. 16 was 10 minus 16 equals 0. Next question number 2 is baby brother weight 3,745 grams. What is the weight in kilogram? We can convert from gram to kilogram by divided by 1000. We know 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Then to convert from gram to kilogram, you must divide it by 1000. 3,745. We can divide it by 1000. So the result will be 3.745. To convert from gram to kilogram, you must divide it by 1000. Next question. Rectangle on a coordinate plane 5 and 7, negative 7 and 5, negative 7 and negative 2, and 7 negative 2. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? We know the perimeter equal length plus width times 2. We can write this or draw this rectangle in dimensions. About x-axis and y-axis, the first point was 7 and 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We have 7 and 5. Next one, negative 7 and 5. Negative 7 here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, and 5 also. Then the difference between them, we have 7 and 5. Then we have 7 lanes. And here part 7, 7 plus 7, 14 units. And the second point here will be negative 7 and negative 2. Negative 7 here and negative 2, negative 1, negative 2. Here is this point. We have 2 points here, down and up. 5 points. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then we have 2 dimensions. The first point will be 7 and negative 2 also. 7 and negative 2. 7 and negative 2. And here 7. Negative 7 and negative 2. Then the dimension here about 7 plus 7, 14. 14 is the length and the width was 7. Then the perimeter equal twice the sum of 2 dimensions. 14 plus 7 equal what? 2 times. 14 plus 7 equal 21. 21 times 2 equal 42. Then the perimeter will be your 42 units. Okay, understood? You can draw and find lengths and widths and then perimeter twice the sum of lengths and widths. Question number 4. Which statement represents the situation described below? The cost of C of a shirt less than 27 and half. C less than 27 and half. Choose letter B. It was question number 4. Question number 5. We have here example. Jaden uses the net to design a box. Okay, he wants to find how much cardboard will Jaden need to make the box. We have dimension 6 and 4 and 4. Okay, we can find the result about 3 dimension. 6 plus 4 plus 4. We can find the volume. 4 times 6 times 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 6 equals 96. Okay, but in this example, he won't need to make a box. He won't find the area, the total area. You know the total area equal twice the product between lengths and widths and width and height, and length and height. Okay, then the total area twice length and width. The length here was 6 and width 4. Length times width, and also width times height. The width here was 4 times the height was 4, and the length was 6 and the height 4. In the total area equal twice 6 times 4 equal 24, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 6 24. Then the total area twice the sum of them, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4 and the carry up 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6. Then the result will be 2 times 4 equal 8 and 2 times 6 equal 12. Then the result will be 128 square feet. It's the total area. Okay, so he needs in this example what? The total area. Okay, then the result will be letter C about this example. Next question number 6. Ginge earned the score 2 in English class score. After his next test, his mean and median score changed to 88. How much does earn on his test? Okay, he asked about his mean. Where is the mean here? This number lies in the middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 numbers. The mean equals sum of all number divided the number of degree. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we can add together divided by 6. We can find the total number by the calculator here. The total number 79 plus 91 plus 93 plus 85 plus 86 plus 88 equal 522. We can divide the total number by 6 because we have 6 degrees here. Then the answer will be 87. And then he tells us in the example his mean convert from 87 to 88. We have here the mean convert from 87 to 88, and the median score both changed to 88. The median here was 85. Is the median convert to 88. He asked about how much does earn on this test. Earn what? To convert from 87 to 88 and 85 convert to 88. If we convert, the number in the median here was what? 85. Okay, convert 85 in the median. We have 88, 79, 91, 93, 85 convert to 88, and then divided by 6, it will be 87 and a half. Okay, and we change 85 divided by 6 equal 87. We can find the median. 87 plus 88 divided by 2 equal 87 and a half. Then he will earn it what? We will change 85 to 88, then the median will be 86. In this method we have 86 is the median. Understood? The answer will be 24. Why? We know the sum of all numbers equal 522. If we add together 79 plus 91 plus 93 plus 85 plus 86 plus 88 equal 522. It's the median. Okay, the median here. If we add the new degree like x 522 plus x divided by the total number will be 7. The new median will be 88. He tells us an example. When we add the new degree like this, x, we have 6 degrees. We add the new degree will be x. Then the count of number it will be 7. In this condition, the median will be 88, and then we can write 522 plus x equals 7 times 88. 7 times 8 equal 56. Write 6 and carry up 5. 7 times 8 56. 56 plus 5 equals 61. And then we can find the value of x. 616 subtract by 522. And the value of x, it will be 94. Okay, it's the steps about this example. You know the steps or not? Okay, the first step, the median was 522, and the number of degrees was 6. If we add a new degree, it will be changed. The median will change to 88. Then we write here plus x divided by 7 equal 88, and then x equal 94. Next question. Which coordinate will represent the reflection of point A across y-axis? Reflection in y-axis going here, it's y-axis going to right hand side. 1, 2, 1 to this place. The order will be 2 and 3. Okay, so this example you can find in this example is the order of the point A first. The order of point A will be -1, -2 in the x-axis, -2 going up 3 units, -2 and 3. Then E dash, he want the reflection on y-axis, we must put y and then change the sign of x. If you want to find the reflection of the point on y-axis, we must put y and then change the sign of x. The result will be 2 and 3. Change the sign here, 2 and 3. Okay, next question, number 8. Choose the following statement about the books. What is true? Third quarter here was 16. We have third quarter, and the minimum 2 and the maximum 20. 4 here, we called it what? First quadrant. First quadral 4. Then the true answer, third quadral, is 16. Next question, number 9. Drama club spent 8.5 per person on food for a cost party. The total cost of the food was 229.5. How many people were at the cost party? We have the number here. Drama spent 8.5 person food for cost party. The total was number. We can divide it together to find the number of people. Dividing between two numbers, we have here 229.5 divided by 8.5. Okay, we have here 0 and 0, so we can cancel by product by 100 numerator and numerator to cancel the point in the divisor. In the result here we have 850, and here 229 and 50, also 22,000. We can cancel 0 by 0, and then we can divide it to number here 85, and the dividend will be 2,295 divided by 85. We write 2 divided by this number 0 and here, so 85 divided here the divisor 85 and dividend 229. We can write 2 times 5 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 8 16 plus 1 equals 17. 0 9 minus 0 9, and we can borrow 1. 12 with 12 minus 5 7 equal 5, and then drop 5, and then 5 times 7 35. Write 5 and carry out 3. 7 times 8 56 plus 3 7 times 8 equal 56. 56 plus 3 equal 58. It's 89. Okay, understood. 9 minus 0 equal 9 here. Again, 7 times 7, 5 times 7 35, write 5 and carry out 3. 7 times 8 equal 56. 56 plus 3 equal 59, like this number. So the number of people here, it will be 27. This question number 9. Okay, number 10. What are the value of A and B on the number line? The value of A here will be what? Negative 1, negative 1 and a half. We have negative half, negative 1, negative 1 and a half. The value of A negative 1 and a half. Because he going to left hand side by negative half all the time. 0 and the negative 5 here. And also negative 1, negative 1 and a half, negative 2, and so on. Then the value of A will be negative 1 and a half. And B, but here 2, 2 and a half, 3. The value of B equals 3. Then value of B equals 3. Next question. The boiling point of jet fuel is 329 Fahrenheit. Rounded to the nearest degree, what is the temperature degrees Celsius f equal 9 over 5 Celsius plus 32? We can put here this relation about this degree Fahrenheit equal 9 over 2 product by C plus 32. He won't find 3 represent degrees Celsius and F represent the Fahrenheit. He won't find the Celsius. So we can put F the Fahrenheit, it will be 329 equal 9 over 2 C plus 32. We can solve this equation. We must move this number to left hand side. Okay, then 9 over 2C equal 329 subtract by 32. And then 9 over 2C equal 9 minus 2 7 and borrow 1, 12 minus 3 equal 9, and then write 2. We can cancel 9 over 2, then C equal 997, product by reciprocal about 9 over 2, it will be 2 over 9. 29 divided by 9 equal 3, 3 times 9 27, and remainder 2, 27 divided by 9 equal 3, and then times 2 about the result. 2 times 3 6. Okay, raise the reciprocal about this number. We must move the number here. 9 minus 2 7 and 12 minus 3 9, and write 2 product by 2 over 9. 29 divided by 9 equal 3, 3 times 9 27, and the remainder 2, 27 divided by 9 equal 3, 33 times 2. So the answer here, he won't round to the nearest degree. What is the temperature degree Celsius? He won't find the Celsius. Okay, 32 subtract by number, and then we can write the product by reciprocal about this number to cancel it. Divided by 9 and then times by 2. The Celsius will be 66. You write this 5 not 2. Okay, I will solve it again because we have here 5 not 2. Fahrenheit equal 9 over 5 Celsius plus 32. We can put here Celsius Fahrenheit. They give me the degree about Fahrenheit 329 equal 9 over 5 Celsius plus 32. Then 9 over 5 Celsius equals the difference between two numbers, 9 minus 2 7, and for 1 12 minus 3 equal 9, and the right 2. And then we can cancel 9 over 5 by product reciprocal, product by 5 or 9. Then 29 divided by 9 equal 3, 3 times 9 equal 27, and the remainder 2. 27 divided by 9 equal 3, 33 times 5. 5 times 3 15, 5 and carry up 1, 3 times 5 15 plus 1 equals 16. The result will be 165 degree. Okay, you must know the steps. Okay, about this example. Question number 12. Gym charges membership use of $25 per month. Which equation represents total cost C of against to the gym the month? We can write divided 25 divided by M. Okay. Next question. Divide this number 5 and 3/4 by 1 1/2. We can convert from mixed number to improper to find the quotient. Okay. here we have 5 and 3/4 divided by 1/2. We can write 4 times 5, 20 plus 3 equal 23. 1 times 2 plus 1 equal 3. And then we can write 23 over 4. Product reciprocal about this number, it will be 2 over 3. And then 2 divided by 2, 1, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 23 equal 23. We can write 6 here in the numerator. 23 divided by 6 equal what? We know 4 times 6 equal 24. We can do it, so you must write 3. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 5 equal 23. Then the result will be 3 and 5 over 6. Next question, number 14. 2-liter bottle of juice cost $2 and 80 cents, $80. The price of 2 was $2 and $80. A box contains 6 half-liter of bottle. 6 product by half-liter, it's meaning 3 liter. 4, 3 and $90. Which option higher cost per liter? We can find the price of 1 liter here. If we divided this number 2 and 80 hundredths divided by 2, it will be 1.4. So 2 liter bottle is 1 and 40 hundredths dollar. Choose letter E. Question 15. Which equation represents the data shown the table blue? We have the relation 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. Then y equal x plus 3. Choose letter B. Next question by right hand side here, 16. At every middle school, 273 students present to a survey asking whether a bulldog, a lion, or tiger should be the new school mascot. 4 times as many students choose bulldog as choose tiger. Twice as many students choose lion as choose tiger. How many students choose lion? We can raise the number here, will be 78. Give us this information. 273 is the total number. He can divide it about students like bulldog and the lion and the tiger. Should the new school mascot 4 times as many students like bulldog. 4 product by what? Like bulldog divided by 4. Divided all numbers by 4, we can find the number of students like this. 4 times as many choose bulldog as choose tiger. The twice many students choose lion choose a tiger. Twice to choose the lion. So we can find the result just first divided by 4. We can solve this equation. 4x plus 2x, it will be 6x. And we have also 1 reverse to x. The number of tigers will be x. Then x plus 6x equals the total number 273. Okay, we have here the number of tiger will be x. Okay, then 4x bulldog and 2 twice here the number of this number. He gave us this information. 4 times as many students choose bulldog and twice as many students choose lion. So the tiger will be x plus 4x plus 2x, it will be 7x. 273. Then we can find the students, number of students which like the lion. We can write 273 divided by x. 27 divided by 7 equal, we can write 273. Find the value of x first about the tiger and then find the number of lion. He won't find how many students choose lion. We can find the number of students which choose the tiger. Divided this number 273 by 7. 27 divided by 7 equal 4, no 3. 3 times 7 equal 21 and remainder 5. Remainder 6. Case 3 divided by 9 equal 9. X here reverse to the number of tiger. Okay, number of students which like the tiger is 39, and then number of students like lion, we can write the lion was 2x, lion was 2x, then 2 product by 35, 39 equal 2 times 9, 18, 8 and carry up 1, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 equals 7. This is the total number will be 78 students. Okay, explain again about question number 16 to understood. Okay, in this example he tell us, in this example the total number was 273. he tell us Bulldog, number of students like Bulldog 4 times the number of tiger about x, and also the number of students which like the lion twice the number of students which like the tiger will be x. Then the number of tiger, okay, and the number of lion and the number of bulldog was 2x. Then the total number will be 273. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7x equal 273. Then we can find the number of tiger divided to number equal 39, and then the number of lion was 4x or 2x. 2x is the lion. The number of students which like the lion was 2 or twice the number of students which like the tiger was x. Okay, then 2 product by the number of tiger, 2 product by 39 equals 78 students like lion. Okay, next question. What is the area of the figure below? We can find the area about this figure by right dimensions. Here 8, and this part will be 3 and 3, 8 by 3, 5. This part 5. 7 minus 4 equal 3. Then we have here square. Okay, look at here. We have square here. All side equal because it was 7 and here 4. 7 minus 4 equal 3. Then we have here square, and this part 8 meter, 8 minus 3 equal 5, and this part 3. Then we can find the area about first rectangle, length times width, 8 product by 4, length times width, and here square 3 times 3, and the area of triangle half times base times the height. 4 times 8 32, and 3 times 3 9, half times 3 times 7, 3 times 5 15, 15 divided by 2 7.5, and the result will be 32 plus 9, it will be 41 plus 7.5, it will be 48 and a half. 48 and a half square centimeter. Okay, we have area of square and rectangle and triangle. Next question. Percent of 50 of 15. Percent of 50, it's meaning half of 12. What's the percent of 50? What's the percent of 50 is 15. What's the percent of 50? What's the number product by 50%? Of 50 equal 15. We can find this number here by write 15 over 50. We can divide it 15 by 50 and then product by 100 to convert to percentage. Okay, so you must write 15 divided by 50 product by 100. Okay, 100 divided 15 equal 2. 2 times 15 equal 30. Then the percentage equal 30. That was question 18. Which list of numbers is ordered from least to greatest? Letter B, because we have negative 6 and 53/100th, negative 6 and 4th, and positive 6 and 3/4. Negative 6.53 and negative 6.25, 6 and 3 over 4. Question number 20. What percent represent by diagram below? We have one whole numbers here and 3 parts. Then 1. We have 1.3. We can convert this number to percentage by product by 100. and divided by 100. We must move the point right hand side by 2 places. The result will be 130%. Okay, next 21 is question. Solve the equation x subtract by 15.2 equals 76. The value of x equals 76 plus 15 and 2 tenths. Then we can write 2.5 plus 6, 11, 1 and carry 1, 2 plus 7 equal 9. That was question 21. Now, question 22, we choose the following as a list of equivalent numbers. We have 1.25 equivalent 1 and 25 over 100. It will be 1 and 4th. It will be 125%. Choose letter D. Next question 23. Boiling point water 212 Fahrenheit. The boiling point helium is 452 Fahrenheit. How would you compare the temperature using inequality? We can compare between negative less than positive. Choose letter A. Sarah and Alec each have 5 cousins. Their ages are listed below: 2, 11, 12, 13, 15. And Alec's cousins 9, 11, 11, 12, 13. Choose the following statement is true. Ages of Sarah cousins are more spread out than those Alec's cousin. Sarah, we have 2, 11, 12, 13, 15. Here 9, 11, 11, 12, 13. The ages of Sarah's cousins are more spread out than those Rebecca's cousins. So we know here 2, then 11, 12, 13, 15. We have the outlier point here, 2 and 11, child and grade 3 or grade 5, this number. And here 9, 11, 11, 12, 13. All ages here nearest, but we have outlier 9. Then the ages of Sarah's cousins are more spread out than those Alec's cousins. Okay, more spread. Next question. What is the greatest common factor between 60 and 75? We know 60 equal 15 product by 4 and 75 equal 15 times 5. Then the greatest common factor between them equal 15. Next question. A quadral graph on the point A, B, C, D. Which points are farthest apart? We have point E to 1, 6. Point C to negative 6. We call this the farthest part. It's the same line here. Look at the step. The first point 2 and 6, 1 and 2 and 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6 here is point A. And point B 6 and 0. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 0 here. And point C 2 and negative 6. 2 and negative 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. And point D of negative 4 and 0. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. It's point D. Like this. Like this shape. He asked about which of 2 points are farthest apart in the same part here. We have point A and point C. Like this. But in this, it's number line. D line, B and D line in x-axis, and A and C, it's opposite. It's in the first quadrant and C in the fourth quadrant. Next question. What is the volume of rectangular? The volume equal length times width times the height. We have 3.5 product by 5 and 4 product by 4. We can write 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7 and 4 times 5 20 plus 1 21 times 4 divided by 4 1 and 7 times 21 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, or you can write 3.5 times 21. 3.5 product by 21. Okay, 3.5 product by 21. 3 times 21 equals 60 3 and half of 21, it will be 10.5. We can add together between two numbers, it will be 73 and half inch, cubic inch. Next question. Here, question 28. Isa finished 30% of his homework in 27 minutes. How many more minutes will it take also to complete his homework, assuming that work at the same speed? 30% of his homework in 27. Then we can write 27 divided by 30%. We can write 27 product reciprocal about this number, 100 over 30. Cancel 0 by 0. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. 9 times 10 equal 90. Okay, how many more? We can find the difference between 90 and 27. 10 minus 7 equal 3 and 8 minus 2 equals 6. Then the answer will be 63. He asked about how many more. We can find the difference between two numbers. Okay, the first was 27 minutes and the second was 90 minutes. The difference between them equals 63. Next question, 29. Mila is wrapping a cube-shaped gift box that measured 8.5 inches long each. How many square inches of wrapping paper is needed to cover the box completely without overlapping? We have 8.5 here. You can find the volume by product the number by itself 3 times. In this example, you won't find the area. You find the square here. The area of cube about the total area equals 6 product side power 2. 6 product by side times side. 8.5 power 2. We can write 6 product by 8.5 power 2. Okay, then the result will be 433 and a half. We can find the total area because the cube has 6 faces. The total area equals 6 times the area of one face. Next question. Question 30. What is the area of trapezoid? Trapezoid equals half sum of two bases product by the corresponding height. Half product by the sum of two bases. First base 5 and second base 6 plus 1 equals 7. And the height, look at here, 5 base and 6 plus 1 7 and the height 3. Then we can write half product by 5 plus 7 12 times 3. Half of 12 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. Then the area equal 18 square meter, area of trapezium or trapezoid. Question 31. Which of the following is statistical question? Statistical question, you know, we won't find the extra or different solution or different ways to solve the example. Letter C. What are the age of students in your class? We call this statistical question. We call this statistical question because we have different answers. But question A and C, we have only one answer to the question about A and B and C. Letter C, we call this statistical question. Statistical because we have extra or different answer to this question from all students. Solve the equation below. We can divide it by coefficient to find the value of x. We have 3 and 4. X equal 8 and 125,000. Then the value of x equal 8 and 125,000 over 3.25. We can product by 100 numerator and numerator. Then the result will be 325 and up 812.5. We can divide these numbers. We have x equal 812 divided by 325, 2 times 325 equal 700 and a half. Subtract from this number to find the answer 7 and a half and then find the remainder. Okay, I will do it here. 325 write 0 812 divide this number equal 2 times 5 10 0 and carry 1 2 times 2 4 plus 1 5 2 times 3 6 2 minus 0 equal 0 and this 7 11 minus 5 6 7 minus 6 1 put point and then drop 5. 1625 divided by 325 equal 5. The result will be 1625. Then the result will be 2.5 here. Okay, let's find the solution about this equation. Question number 33. Which of your isn't equivalent. Letter D, because if you use here distributive properties, we can find the result. 3 times D plus 5 equal 3. 3 times D equal 3D, and 3 times 5 over 3, it will be 5. And the result will be 3D plus 5. Next question. Recipe sales for 3 avocados for each whole cucumber. How many for Bruce chemical can meet with 17 avocado? We have here the number 3 times 5 equal 15. It's related to the number, okay? Because 17 divided by 3 equal 5, and the remainder 2. And the number here will be 5 balls. Okay? Check the remainder. Next question. Which coordinate represent reflection of this point in x-axis? Okay, to find the reflection of x-axis, we must put x and change the sign of y. We have negative 4 and 6. Reflection in x, put x here and change the sign of y. We have x and y. And the result will be negative 4 and negative 6. Next question, 36. Choose the following can represent per equation. Y equal to x. Y equal to x. Choose here 4 and 6. 4 and 6. 4. No. Choose this. What's this? He asked about y twice of x. No, to choose this. We have graph only. Choose graph only. Okay. It's graph only. He asked about A or B or C. Graph only reverse to y equal to x, because the relation here is straight line passes through the center point, original point 0 and 0. And then we must choose graph only reverse to y twice to x. Is x. Okay. Okay, next time I will explain the first lesson, the assessment. Progress mountaineering assessment from A. Okay, next time we'll explain this question. Okay.